I think more about the way my mom parented.
Honestly, that's like what changed my, like, the way I parent is like seeing how like my parents parented.
Exactly.
Like, I got my ass whooped and like I was yelled at, yeah, this is why we beat your ass, and it's just like, yo, you know what I'm saying? You gotta sit them down and talk and explain, like, after they calm down. A lot of people don't like hearing what you gotta say when they mad. Like, you just beat my fucking ass and now you're gonna sit here and yell in my face.
That ass.
Like, damn.
You want something to cry about? You just gave me something to cry about.
Yo, see?
Why do I have... What?
That's funny.
What do you
mean?
Now it's funny. Back then, that shit was like, what the fuck are you doing?
No, it's funny to me because that wasn't. I didn't get that treatment.
like looking at.
Yo, I heard that shit once a week as a kid.
Damn. Yo, but
if it wasn't me, it was my siblings.
See, when people tell me like that shit, I be like, damn.
Ain't that